And now I would like to call upon our respected principal, Mr. Rudren Basa, to present annual report for the academic session 2020-21.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati Shikha Yadav, Chief Judicial Magistrate, cum Secretary, District Legal Service Authority, Shri Akio Takamura, former Program Director, NHK World Hindi Radio Service, Japan, colleagues, parents, guests, alumni, and my dear children. I extend a hearty welcome to you all this evening on the occasion of Appreciation Day for the Juniors 2020 of APJ School, Charkhi Dadri. It is not a disgrace if dreams are unfulfilled, but it is if we have no dreams to dream. So inspiring are these words of late Dr. Satyapal, an eminent industrialist, educationist, philanthropist, freedom fighter, and a pioneer visionary behind the APJ education that runs 24 educational institutes across the country and APJ Satya University. We celebrated the 101st birth anniversary of the legend this year. All APJ institutions are guided by the vision of Dr. Satyapal, founder chairman, APJ Education Society, of value-based holistic education, focusing on acquiring thinking skills and learning how to learn for life that truly prepares the individual for the challenges of life. A vision that is truly global, transcending the confines of state and country, and is driven by innovative techniques, progressive curricula, and state of the art infrastructure. The motto of the society, Soaring High is My Nature, enshrines the belief that true education inculcates a constant pursuit of excellence on the strength of human and moral values. APJ School Charkhi Dadri pays its tributes to the true Karma Yogi. Dr. Satyapal's legacy of excellence is being carried forward by his only child, Mrs. Sushma Paul Barlia, current chairman of the APJ Education. Mrs. Sushma Paul Barlia is a leading women entrepreneur and industrialist of the country who has made outstanding contribution to the cause of industry, women empowerment, and education. She is the co-promoter and president of APJ Satya and Soran Group, a leading industrial and business house with diversified interest in India and abroad. Mrs. Barlia has made outstanding contribution in ensuring that the APJ vision of quality education of global standards leading to man-making and nation-building is effectively reflected in the conceptualization and standardization of the academic programs and curricula across all its institutions. Mrs. Barlia has been conferred with numerous awards and recognitions by both national and international community. Madam has been conferred with Udyog Ratan Award, Mahatma Gandhi Samman 2019, presented by the NRI Welfare Society, UK chapter, at the House of Commons, London, Lokmat Women at Work Leadership Award, Hall of Fame Award at the 9th BBC Knowledge Education Leadership Awards 2018, Edupreneur of the Year Award, Lifetime Achievement Award for promoting education for the social cause, PhD Chambers Outstanding Businesswoman Award, International Lifetime Achievement Award by the International Congress of Women 2009 in collaboration with the Government of India and the UN, to name just a few. Due to unavoidable commitment, Madam could not join us, but she has sent us her blessings and a message for us on this special occasion that I would read out to you. Madam says, and I quote, I extend my warm wishes to mark the Junior Annual Appreciation Day at APJ School, Charkhi Dadri. Congratulations to the school for its commendable work in all realms: academics, extracurricular activities, sports, and community outreach initiatives. A special appreciation is due to the school for going ahead with the Junior Annual Appreciation Day on the virtual platform despite all odds in the present trying times. I extend a warm welcome to Mrs. Shikha Yadav, Chief Judicial Magistrate, cum Secretary, Legal Service Authority, Charkhi Dadri, for kindly consenting to be the chief guest despite her busy schedule and for gracing the occasion with her august presence. I extend a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Mr. Akio Takamura, former program director of NHK World Japan Hindi radio service. I welcome all the members of the extended APJ Satya family, including students, teachers, parents, and who have joined us today. In the wake of pandemic, APJ Satya Education found effective online alternatives of high quality. Blended learning is here to stay, and we are ready to make the most of it. At all times, the vision of APJ Education is to usher in value-based holistic education leading to man-making and nation-building. We are glad that our existing practices has found such huge resonance in the National Education Policy 2020. APJ education is guided by the vision of my late father, Dr. Satyapal, the inspiration behind all our institutions. Today, the APJ Satya family comprises of 24 education institutes across the country and the APJ Satya University. The APJ Satya family comprises over 40,000 students, 60,000 alumni, and 2,500 faculty, providing quality education from pre-primary to doctoral level. APJ School Charkhi Dadri has carved out an identity of excellence for itself as a leading CBSE school. The school has received numerous awards and accolades. I congratulate all those who are going to get prizes today. To those who have not won any prizes, I would like to say that never give up on your dreams and follow it up with determination to get the kind of success you deserve. I thank the entire parent community for the trust and faith that they have reposed in us. We look forward to their continued support at all times. I congratulate all our teachers for being anchors behind the success of the students. Finally, I congratulate Principal Rudrendra Basak and his dedicated team for their commendable work. May the school continue to soar higher and higher. Unquote. Thank you, ma'am, for those kind words. We are indebted to you for your vision, leadership, guidance, and help at every juncture. I am proud to share with you that APJ Education has been awarded for academic excellence in the K-12 category at the Top Education Awards 2020 organized by the Business World magazine. We thank Mr. Nishant Barlia, illustrious son of Madam Sushma Paul Barlia, Pro-Chancellor of APJ Satya University, member Management Board of APJ Satya and Swaran Group for his guidance and for providing us the world view of this pandemic and its impact. Our journey towards excellence would not have been possible without the mentoring and helping hand of ma'am's illustrious son, Mr. Aditya Barlia, graduate of Stanford University and an MBA from the Harvard Business School, Pro-Chancellor of APJ Satya University and member management board of the APJ Satya and Swaran Group. We thank you, sir, for your vision and hand-holding us in these pandemic times in sailing through seamlessly from the physical classrooms to the digital. We also thank Dr. Neha Barlia, co-promoter of APJ Satya and Swaran Group and daughter of Mrs. Sushma Paul Barlia, for her active interest and help in shaping up the academic procedures of the schools. APJ School Charkhi Dadri is strongly supported by a team of dedicated educationists, our mentors. We thank Dr. V.S. Garg, Education Advisor, APJ Education Society, Mr. N.N. Nair, Senior Education Officer, and Education Officers Mr. D.K. Bedi, Ms. Anita Paul, Ms. Purnima Vora, and Mr. Sharad Tiwari for their untiring support and invaluable guidance that made our journey to success easier. APJ School Charkhi Dadri has completed more than 28 years of service. The school has produced IS officers, bureaucrats, engineers, doctors, businessmen, and women, but over and above good human beings. Developing human values has been one of the prime focus of our school, as of all the APJ institutes in this country. Though we are a small school away from the big cities with abundant opportunities, our achievements are bigger than some of the finest schools of the country. I present to you a few of our important achievements of 1920. In academics, the AISSC batch of 1920 carved the name of Charkhi Dadri boldly and in golden letters on the map of the world by securing an average of 89.1%. As per a survey by the reputed Swaraj magazine, APJ School Charkhi Dadri was ranked at 115th position among all CBSE schools in India and abroad on the basis of class 12th board examination results, with no school ever worse in Charkhi Dadri and Bhiwani district put together. I congratulate all students, teachers, and parents for achieving this unbelievable feat. With 100% pass results and 98 distinctions, about 95.45% of students secured more than 75% of marks, and 54.55% of students secured more than 90% of marks. I congratulate Mehak, Shruti Mahajan, and Pratiksha for securing the first, second, and third positions with 96%, 95.6%, and 95.2% marks, respectively. However, it is not our nature to rest on our laurels, and our trust for excellence will continue. I am delighted to inform you that we also introduced Commerce stream in class 11 this academic session. I'm sure students will reap the benefit of this addition in the near future. Good news came in AISSE Class 10 results as well. Once again, with 100% pass results, 115 distinctions were achieved. Minu, Anushka, and Arpita got first, second, and third positions with 97.4, 96.6, and 95.6% marks respectively. Minu also bagged the district level position, a news that was well covered by the media. I congratulate all students, teachers, and parents for this remarkable achievement. APJ has carried out reforms in pedagogy through development of syllabi booklets by our very own teachers of APJ schools. At APJ, teachers have been trained in curriculum development. Thematic curriculum was designed by our core team after thorough research of curricula of 4 countries: Finland, UK, Singapore, and Scotland. Our curriculum has been customized, taking the best practices of these countries. All domain of human learning, cognitive, psychomotor, and affective have been included in our books to provide holistic development of our learners. Introduction of Jollyphonics last year, which is a comprehensive program based on the proven, fun, and multisensory synthetic phonics method that gets the children reading and writing from an early age, has indeed borne fruits. Children have started reading better and faster, thereby enhancing their vocabulary and self reliance. However, APJ School Charkhi Dadri is not just confined to academic excellence, but it also motivates and empowers its students to be lifelong learners, critical thinkers, and productive members of the ever changing society. Inculcating greater human values has always been a prime focus of all the APJ institutes. Dr. Satyapal Award for Human Values is given to students who exemplify and exhibit good human values in their day to day life. The recipients of this prestigious award are felicitated every year with a citation and scholarship of rupees 5,000, rupees 7,500, and rupees 10,000 in the middle secondary and senior secondary categories, respectively. This year, the prestigious award is conferred on Anushka of class 11, Khushi Dala of class 10, and Aditi Garg of class 8. The pandemic did thrust quite a few challenges on us. I take pride in stating that we were the first education institutes in Charkhi Dadri and in Bhiwani to have overcome the challenges gracefully by delivering education to our children online. Rather, this pandemic has brought us closer, brought a synergy in the teaching learning process, taught how to walk hand in hand to educate our kids, and collaborate at all levels for the smooth transaction of the curricula in order to help fulfill the 21st century goals of learning to know, learning to do, learning to live together, and learning to be. Here, I would like to mention that I thank the management for their vision and motivation that helped us to turn the adversaries into opportunities. Not only academics, but co curricular and sports activities ran side by side in full swing on the online platform. We celebrated most of the festivals and important days such as Diwali, Dashera, Christmas, Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day, Krishna Janmashtami, etc. online. Walked the ramp in ethnic wear, had fun in the DJ sessions online, had lunch together online. We held talk shows and conducted poem recitation, coloring, handwriting competitions, storytelling, greeting card making, origami, fancy dress, and numerous other competitions online. And I would like to state here that each and every student performed extremely well in all these events, and all are winners. I thank our sister APJ schools in Haryana, Delhi NCR, Mumbai, and Punjab for giving our children an opportunity to participate in various inter APJ programs organized by them. And again, all these would have never been possible without the overwhelming support received from the parents and the family members of the students despite all the challenges. In Haryana State Council of Child Welfare organized Bal Mahotsav, Mishti of Class 1 made us proud by winning the first position in the district in patriotic solo song competition, first position in solo dance competition, first position in card making competition, and second position in diya and candle decoration competition in the age group of 3 to 5 years. Gargi Singh of Class 1 bagged the second position in the district in the card making competition in the age group of 5 to 10 years. Rajdeep Singh of nursery class stood second in card making competition and was adjudged the best dramebaz of the district in the age group of 3 to 5 years in the same event. I congratulate Mishti, Rajdeep, and Gargi and their parents. We fondly remember the visit of Mr. David Dix, former publisher, Record Courier newspaper, and an eminent Rotarian of Kent State, Ohio, USA, and his wife, Mrs. Janet Dix, a psychologist, to our school before lockdown, and their interaction with the children and the people of Charkhi Dadri. We also had Ms. Swati Singh, our own alumna and a counseling psychologist who conducted a webinar for our parents and students and helped them deal with the new normal and at the initial and stressful period of the lockdown. Thank you, Ms. Swati. You had bolstered our resolve in taking care of the children's emotional and psychological well being. As we overcome the challenges of the pandemic to embark on a fresh journey in a post COVID world with a new academic session, we reflect on Dr. Satya Paul's vision of the APJ education shared more than 5 decades ago, resonating so well with the National Education Policy 2020. And I assure you here that at APJ School Charkhi Dadri, we will continue to focus on holistic education rooted in Indian culture and human values. At the end, I thank the Almighty for bestowing upon me the opportunity of making a difference in the lives of people through this noble profession. May all of us keep well and keep soaring high. Thank you.